There's always something fun to do in downtown Fredericksburg, and on this week's edition, we're going to tell you about a new addition to the list, pouring your own candle on Caroline Street. This week I'm with Cecily Rodriguez, the owner of Pour by 5th Sense Candle Co., which is a new business that opened recently at 1011 Caroline Street in downtown Fredericksburg. And Cecily, thank you for joining us today.
Thanks for having us.
So tell us about your business.
We actually just opened this brick and mortar store November 25th, but we actually started this business in 2017. I did it out of my kitchen, pouring candles. I'm a mother of two. I needed an extra hobby. The hobby basically turned into a business.
You started selling your product at farmers markets and then evolved into a bricks and mortar, is that right?
Yeah, we sold at farmers markets, any place that offered vendors. I had an Etsy shop, so that's kind of where we started.
Yeah, so you can buy your product here as the kind of front part of the space, but then tell us about what people do in this back part here.
So basically when you come in, you get to choose your jar. We have 5 different options. And from there, people like to go to pick out their fragrance oil, and that's where you can get creative, mix, match, create your own scent. We'll have the hot wax in this pitcher, and we'll get 2 big pitchers, put it on the table, and you from there get to go and pour individually into your small pitcher. We have the thermometers on there, so you have to pour the candle at a specific temperature. You'll pour your oil in here, dump it, stir it, and then we'll let it sit, and then from there we go put our wick in, and then you pour the pitcher of wax into here and basically let it cool, and then from there you get to choose all of the fun garnishes that go on top. So a lot of people like to get creative, make designs, and in the end have a beautifully made candle.
And it's all soy wax, right?
Yes,
you were telling me earlier.
It's 100% soy wax. So with that, your candle is going to last 50% longer than a regular paraffin candle. So with these, they're all natural, non-toxic, and they're going to last you much longer than a regular candle. And we're BYOB.
And then, so how can people sign up for a class?
So you can sign up directly on our website. It's 5thsensecandleco.com, and we right now are booking 2 months out. And we also interchange 4 scents every 3 to 4 months. So every season you can come and do a different scent.
And the capacity you can have up to, is it 13, did you say, people at each class?
Yep, 13. Mm-hmm.
And do people have to sign up as a full group, or can you do individual or couples?
No, you can just do individually. There's an option to change your quantity on there, so you can book as many that's available at that time.
Okay. And when do you do the classes?
We offer them Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We offer 1 class on Friday at 5, 2 on Saturday, 2 and 5, and then 1 on Sunday at 2.
Okay. And then what are the hours of the retail store?
Of the retail store, we're open Wednesday through Sunday. We're open from 10 to 5 Wednesday through Thursday, and 10 to 7 Friday through Saturday, and 11 to 5 on Sunday.
Okay. And how can people find out more about your company?
I would say the best way is following us on Instagram or Facebook, and that's just 5th Sense Candle Co.
So tell us about your store mascot here.
Well, this is Oliver. We're a family-owned business, and when we mean family-owned, we mean the kids and the dog. Oliver, he's a French bulldog.
Well, it's really a beautiful store and a great new offering for our downtown. So we're glad you're here.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us today.
Appreciate it. Thanks for having me.
Okay. All right. So that'll do it for this week's edition. We'll see you next week.